Remove the pop-up frame from the bag and it will auto-spring into shape. This tower-shaped frame features 3 graphic banner boards. Each pair of boards can be connected using Velcro. For added stability, you can attach weights to the 3 additional Velcro strips at the bottom or insert spikes through the 3 fabric strips with grommets. Then an elegant pop-up frame is set up. 3 ways to pack the tower-shaped pop-up frame. Using a wall, stand the frame against a wall. Cross one side over the other. One side should be in front, the other at the back. Twist the top part and push it into the center. Using your legs, once you're used to it, try this method. Hold the frame with your legs. Cross one side over the other. One side should be in front, the other at the back. Gently push down the top part, twist it, and push it into the center. Taking it apart. If it's too hard to fold, you can take the frame apart into 3 pieces and pack each piece separately. This might be easier if you're not very strong. CFM Efficient Visual Solution. www.chinaflagmakers.com